cherries, it's good to touch the green, green grass of home.
Alright, shut up! Okay.
Oh, for goodness sake! What's a girling? It's not fair when Tom Jones, international singing star, can't sing in the shower. Would you mind passing my robe that's hung up there behind you? Thank you very much. Very, very kind of you. As you can see, I've been showering with this new product from Lush called grass. Would you like to spread it around? There we go. There we go. Now there's a bowl there. You can just pour it in and splash it about a bit. There we go. Pass it around. It's got a lovely, lovely, beautiful base. It contains water and sea salt and chlorophyll and wheatgrass. Now wheatgrass is very good. It contains antioxidants, protein, minerals and chlorophyll. Now chlorophyll is very good for irritated skin, sunburnt skin, and very good for black curly hair like mine. Now the fragrance that you can smell as you're passing it around, fragrance.
There was a soap that they smelled. It used to be a soap.
The fragrance was created by Simon Constantine, and it contains bergamot, sandalwood, and up here. Oh, sorry. I like the eye contact. It's good. It also contains violet leaf absolute and neroli. And I think you'll agree it smells like freshly mowed lawn. Do you agree?
Yeah!
Oh, good.